Most managers still think AI is just ChatGPT. Meanwhile, companies are quietly using AI to automate reporting, summarize meetings, analyze performance data, screen candidates, and even assist with strategic planning. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Over the next few years, managers won't be replaced by AI. They'll be replaced by managers who use AI better. If you're leading a team, or planning to, these are 7 AI tools that give managers an unfair advantage in 2026. AI is no longer a novelty. It's becoming infrastructure. Just like spreadsheets didn't replace accountants, they made better accountants faster. AI is becoming a leverage layer on top of management. The question isn't whether AI is coming, it's whether you're using it effectively before everyone else does. Let's start with the obvious tool, but not in the obvious way. ChatGPT is far more than a smarter search engine. Managers who win use it like a strategic Copilot. Here's how. Draft structured performance feedback. Instead of struggling for hours to word a review, ChatGPT can draft a first version in minutes. Pressure test strategic decisions. Ask it to outline pros, cons, and blind spots before making a recommendation. Turn messy notes into clean executive summaries. Meetings and brainstorming sessions suddenly produce usable documentation instantly. Prepare for difficult conversations, like delivering constructive feedback or negotiating priorities. Create first drafts of SOPs and onboarding documents. The real advantage isn't speed, it's clarity and precision. A manager who thinks and communicates clearly is a manager who leads effectively. Claude, by Anthropic, is designed to handle long-form content and complex documents. Managers can use it to review contracts, vendor agreements, or board reports quickly. Summarize policy updates or regulatory changes. Extract key insights from multi-page PDFs. Imagine receiving a 50-page report and needing a summary for your team. Claude can pull the highlights and even point out risks or action items. This is about working smarter, not harder. Handling documents like this manually would take hours. With Claude, it's minutes. Copilot is embedded directly into Microsoft 365 apps. Managers can now draft and refine emails in Outlook instantly. Forecast, analyze, and visualize data in Excel. Summarize team meetings automatically. Build PowerPoint presentations with structured content. Instead of spending 3 hours compiling reports and slides, you spend 10 minutes editing a version AI has already structured. The strategic shift here is from being an information builder to being an information editor, freeing up time for real decision-making. Notion AI helps teams turn scattered information into structured knowledge systems. Managers can use it to build standard operating procedures, structure project documentation, track OKRs and team goals, summarize project updates for leadership. The advantage? Less time searching, less duplication, and smoother communication across your team. Professionals who organize knowledge effectively consistently outperform those who don't. Research is often inefficient. Managers skim articles or rely on headlines, missing the bigger picture. Perplexity AI acts as a research assistant, pulls insights from multiple sources, provides citations, summarizes trends and industry news, allows follow-up questions to refine understanding. Before a strategy meeting, instead of opening 12 tabs and piecing information together, you can ask structured questions and get concise, actionable insights. Better inputs lead to better decisions. That's leverage. Zapier connects your apps and automates repetitive workflows. Managers can use it to automatically update spreadsheets or CRM systems. Send notifications to Slack or Teams when tasks are complete. Generate recurring reports. Reduce admin overhead. The goal? Less reactive management and more intentional execution. Time is your most limited resource as a manager. Zapier can manage it more objectively than you can. Meetings are where most managers spend their time, and often, most productivity is lost in transcription. Otter.ai allows you to transcribe meetings in real time, highlight action items automatically, share summarized notes with your team, track follow-ups and accountability. This turns meetings from time drains into structured, actionable sessions, freeing up bandwidth for decision-making. The mistake many managers make is thinking AI is about saving time. It's really about increasing decision quality. Managers who outperform over the next 5 years will think clearer, decide faster, communicate better, allocate time smarter. AI is the multiplier, not the replacement. If you ignore it, you quietly fall behind. If you leverage it properly, you create asymmetric advantage that compounds over time. If you want to stay ahead in the AI era, start integrating these tools into your workflow today. Subscribe to the channel for more AI strategies for managers, and let me know in the comments which of these tools you're excited to try first.